This diagram compares two opposing models for constructing physical reality. On the left, the bottom-up assembly of classical mechanics. On the right, the top-down geometric funnel of the theory of infinity. Classical physics suggests that macroscopic thermodynamics emerges from the bottom up. It relies on the probabilistic aggregation of billions of individual particles to generate heat and pressure. In this model, particles operate within an empty, featureless vacuum, where space itself acts as a passive container for microscopic motion. The theory of infinity inverts this perspective, modeling the universe as a top-down geometric constraint that compresses a continuous spatial fluid into rigid integer boundaries. This approach addresses a severe flaw in standard field theories. Calculating continuous momentum integrals over unbounded domains routinely produces violent, infinite thermodivergences that break the mathematics. Standard physics manages these infinities through ad hoc mathematical interventions, specifically the process of perturbative renormalization. This process involves manually subtracting infinite divergences order by order to force theoretical predictions into alignment with empirical measurements. While classical physics treats continuous infinities as computational errors, the TOI framework identifies them as the foundational structural realities of the cosmos. The historical bridge is the Boltzmann constant. It serves as the proportionality factor linking absolute temperature with kinetic energy, translating microscopic arrangements into macroscopic entropy. For over a century, this value has stood as a foundational tool across classical mechanics, quantum theory, and the study of chaos. In 2019, CODATA formally redefined the International System of Units. The goal was to eliminate artifact-based measurements, anchoring the system to invariant constants of nature. Locking down the exact value of the Boltzmann constant required experimental methodologies with relative uncertainties below 1 part per million. Researchers utilized acoustic gas thermometry, using microwave resonance frequencies in copper cavities to measure the speed of sound in monoatomic gas with extreme precision. The 2019 SI redefinition eventually fixed the value of the constant at exactly 1.380649 times 10 to the negative 23rd joules per Kelvin. Mainstream physics treats this number as an independent, arbitrary parameter of nature, discoverable only through sophisticated physical metrology. The theory of infinity synthesizes this fundamental constant as a deterministic geometric footprint, derived mathematically without the need for physical instruments. The mathematical engine used to synthesize the constant is the 4D Spacetime Sieve, formally recognized as the Boltzmann compression matrix. Step 1 establishes the discrete mass bound. This replaces the classical concept of probabilistic microstates with a fixed geometric ceiling. This bound is a rigid integer lattice, defined by a symmetric Fibonacci iron cage. By locking the boundaries at specific integer coordinates, the system generates a discrete area constraint of exactly 9.5, representing the absolute limit of confined structural mass. Step 2 introduces the continuous space limit, the oppositional force pushing back against the discrete cage. This continuous area tensor is derived from the golden ratio, modeling an idealized, frictionless thermodynamic fluid. Formally defined as the two-dimensional golden area, this limit yields a value of approximately 2.618. The matrix now contains a core geometric conflict, an idealized continuous golden area expanding endlessly, only to be trapped inside a rigid, discrete integer boundary. Forcing the continuous golden area into the 9.5 integer cage generates immense geometric tension. The framework defines this phenomenon formally as topological pressure. We calculate this pressure by dividing the discrete bounded state of 9.5 by the continuous ideal state of 2.618. The result is approximately 3.628, the raw mathematical representation of thermodynamic buildup prior to dimensional resolution. To manifest in macroscopic reality, this multidimensional tension must be flattened using the 4D spacetime sieve. The sieve models the tension as a 4-dimensional volume, distributed across 3 spatial dimensions and 1 dimension of chronological drag. To isolate the value as a one-dimensional point scalar, the sieve reverses this 4D expansion by extracting the absolute fourth root of the pressure. This collapse flattens the pressure into a single localized point scalar of exactly 1.38018. By reconstructing the leading digits of the 2019 SI Boltzmann constant through deterministic geometry, the matrix demonstrates that statistical entropy is a fixed topological requirement. This synthesis raises a structural question. How does the universe prevent its own manifold from shattering into chaotic entropy as these waves expand indefinitely? Structural integrity is preserved by a mathematical infrastructure known as the Konrad backbone. The backbone enforces strict linear recurrence rules, using Fibonacci integer triples, onto complex three-dimensional physical volumes. These linear constraints force the three-dimensional volume to fold completely flat into a transparent null space, where the determinant of the spatial matrix evaluates to 0. During this dimensional shift, the complex volume sheds its depth without scattering information or generating chaotic debris. Geometric momentum is perfectly conserved across the collapse, as the resulting 1D sequence satisfies the exact same recurrence rules as the original 3D volume. The Konrad backbone proves the universe physically seals itself against thermodynamic decay by gracefully shedding volumetric depth, locking chaotic infinity into a stable observational plane. We must now compare our theoretical output of 1.38018 to the exact SI mantissa of 1.38064 derived by empirical measurement. The result is a fractional discrepancy between the continuous equation and the physical mimit, a statistical friction gap of approximately 0.00046. Classical theories actively suppress these types of fractional mismatches, treating them as computational noise or truncation errors to be smoothed away. The theory of infinity utilizes a rigorous auditing mechanism that forbids erasing these numbers, the friction versus fiction protocol. This protocol identifies fractional mismatches between transcendental manifolds and discrete constraints as exact, physically meaningful data points. This specific gap is a universally conserved metric of unified thermodynamic exhaust, appearing across independent cosmological models. Entropy emerges as topological drag, the literal mechanical heat generated when infinitely curving spaces are geometrically squeezed onto the rigid corners of a discrete integer lattice. The Boltzmann constant is the quantifiable mathematical exhaust produced as the infinite fluid of the cosmos grinds against the indestructible integer rails of the void. The living mechanics of this interface are simulated through the Konrad Algorithmic Oscillator. The oscillator acts as a thermodynamic piston, iteratively pumping continuous fluid boundaries through opposing discrete forces to measure the resulting friction. The breaking point of this engine is documented as the Euler wave rupture. This rupture occurs as continuous orthogonal waves are elevated to fluid exponents and pushed toward infinity. When the wave dips below the zero plane, standard real-valued calculus fails, as negative coordinates cannot mathematically sustain irrational exponents. To prevent infinite divergence, the spatial topology mechanically ruptures outward into the complex plane. The complex plane functions as a topological heat sink, designed to bleed off excess tension as imaginary charge when the real-valued manifold reaches its limit. Ultimately, the Boltzmann constant is the geometric conversion rate of reality, the mathematical cost of forcing an infinite cosmos into a stable and observable form.